Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use CNBC Strategy, only way. First, set a clear goal and risk limit, then focus on signal validation using volume and trend. Use strict position sizing and place entries, stops, and profit targets immediately. Track trades in a simple journal and review outcomes weekly to refine your rules. Keep things consistent and avoid chasing quick wins that break your system. Choose signals that match the major market direction and resist impulsive choices. Confirm entries with two supporting indicators, such as momentum and volume, to increase conviction. Keep your indicator set small to prevent conflicting cues and overfitting. Turn rules into checklists you use before every trade, and treat each signal the same way to build discipline and repeatability in your CNBC strategy execution. Protecting capital is the core of long-term success, so size positions so one loss stays within your limit. Set stops at logical market levels and only move them based on per-written rules. Consider partial exits or trailing stops to secure profits without abandoning a potential runner. Review risk metrics like drawdown and win rate monthly to ensure your CNBC approach remains sustainable and aligned with your goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.